It's time to take off the power brake booster, graft my pedal set to it, and then shoot my laser through where the cable goes. Cut out the firewall here. Might have to pull the booster out. I haven't really decided yet. This booster looks different than the T-Bird. I mean, I reckon it might come out right in a good spot. Who knows? Oh, it's this one.
Oh.
Booster.
Nice. Let me see this.
I gotta cut it up still.
I'm not throwing it.
Cut this here.
Yeah.
And I cut that there. And then I weld that to this. And it still bolts in. The hardest part is getting the brake pedal to align. But it should be fine. And we're not using the clutch safety switch or nothing. I'm just going to do it the same as I did the T-Bird. I don't really have a choice.
Where's that grinder at, brother? Your favorite tool.
Safety squints. All right, there's that. Bingo. This is now trash.